Rob. It's open, honey. The front door is unlocked. All right. And don't come here worrying me. I have the most exciting news to share with you. I'm also an inventor. I am going to introduce you to my new invention, the NecLifts. NecLifts, NecLifts. It's not available for purchase yet because I'm going through the patent stage. I'm back here, Rob. It must have come open by itself. I unlocked it. It's only been a second when you just called. I am exhausted, Rob, but I'm trying to tape. I can't do it. You heard me? Hey, look, check this out. My NecLifts are little jewels, the little band jewels that attach to the back of the neck and take the wrinkles instantly out of your neck. I want you to talk to me and let me know what you think. Huh? What'd you say? This is my nosy boyfriend over here, the trucker. I'm trying to talk to you, and he's over there in the other room trying to tell me that I'm begging. So this will be, I guess, knowledge for him, because I'm gonna let him drive trucks while I do makeovers. Does that sound good? Okay. He's all in my face. I mean, are you begging him? I am not begging. I'm advertising. The only one that begs is you. Biggs and Star. Who's that? I know him. I know this boy. What's his name again? Call him Goofy. What? You know his real name? I know this young man's mother. Sheila Parker. That's what I'm telling you. I know this young man from when he was a young boy, just like the guy across the street. I knew him from being a young boy. What did they shot him? Dang. It's a violence. It's in the microwave, dear. Just help yourself. Wow. We're losing our young people so much. Every time I hear about it, it just disturbs me. Prayer, hope. That's what it's going to take to bring our nation together and take away the violence. This is so not a part of my video, but with Rob coming in and showing me this young man that I know so well, it hurts. It hurts. And this is a live, unrehearsed. And it's just sad. It's just sad. Whew. In their room.